54% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck right now, and most of them have a budget. The budget is not the problem. The budgeting system is. Here are the 4 tricks that fix the most common money mistakes people make with their budget. And why fixing the system beats fixing your willpower every single time. Here is the thing about budgets that nobody tells you. Most people who fail at budgeting are not lazy, and they are not irresponsible. They are using the wrong system for how they actually think and spend. A budget that does not fit your life will fail every single time. Not because of you, but because of the design. These 4 tricks fix the design. Trick 1. Pay yourself first before you pay anyone else. Most budgets are built like this. Income comes in, bills get paid, things get bought, and whatever is left goes to savings. That is exactly backwards. When savings is the last priority, it gets whatever is left, which is usually nothing. The fix is simple. The morning after every payday, an automatic transfer moves your savings amount to a separate account before you touch the rest. Not at the end of the month, the morning after payday, before the money has a chance to disappear into everyday spending. On $3,000 take home, that means $600 moves to savings automatically on day 1. The remaining $2,400 is yours to run your life with. No willpower required. The system does the work. Trick 2. Give every dollar a job before the month starts. This is called zero-based budgeting, and it is the single most powerful tool for people who feel like money disappears every month without explanation. Here is how it works. Before the month begins, you take your total take-home income and assign every single dollar to a category: rent, food, transport, savings, entertainment, debt payments, until the number reaches 0. Not $0 in your account, $0 without a plan. The money that has no plan is the money that disappears. A dollar that has been assigned to a vacation fund is almost impossible to accidentally spend on Amazon. A dollar sitting unassigned and checking is gone within 48 hours. Give every dollar a job and watch the leaks stop. Trick 3. Do a subscription audit every 90 days, not once a year. The average American is paying over $150 per month in subscriptions they either forgot about or barely use. That is $1,800 per year. Not going to coffee, not eating out. Subscriptions. Services that charge you automatically every month whether you use them or not. The fix takes 20 minutes. Pull up your last 3 bank statements. Highlight every recurring charge. Ask one question about each one. Did I use this in the last 30 days? If the answer is no, cancel it immediately, not eventually. Right now. Most people find $40 to $150 per month they can recover in 20 minutes. That money goes straight to the pay yourself first transfer from Trick 1. Trick 4. Replace monthly budget reviews with weekly 10-minute check-ins. Here is why monthly reviews fail. By the time you realize you overspent on food in week 2, you have already done the same thing in weeks 3 and 4. You find out too late. A 10-minute weekly check-in changes everything. Every Sunday, or whatever day works, you open your banking app and check 2 numbers. Total spent this week versus the budget for the week. If you are on track, great. If you overspent in one category, you know with 3 weeks left to adjust. Small corrections made early cost nothing. The same correction made at the end of the month costs everything. 10 minutes per week. That is the entire system. 4 tricks. Pay yourself first the morning after payday. Give every dollar a job before the month starts. Audit your subscriptions every 90 days. Do a 10-minute weekly check-in instead of a monthly panic. None of these require willpower. All of them fix the system. A budget that fits your life does not feel like discipline. It feels like freedom. Subscribe so you do not miss it.